All right, so here's our refrigerator. What happened, well, for us is that the distance from the floor to this area was 69.5 inches, not 70. And as a result, this piece of the hinge, which sticks up higher than the box, did not fit in. It got 80% of the way in and then stopped here. So we had to trim the bottom of this cabinet. You can see the cabinet used to have this little ridge on the bottom, but it's no longer here. And what we did was remove, you can see the bottom of the cabinet has been removed, and then this that you see back here is the bottom of the original cabinet. And I went to Home Depot and bought just another piece of this, cut it to fit and screwed it in. And so although you can see it when the door's open, when the door's closed, you can't tell. So that's what we did.